Today I'm reviewing the new Lakme Absolute Ultimate Lipstick with Argan Oil. These are the newest launched by Lakme. Now Lakme has launched Argan Oil lipsticks before in the similar packaging, but these are the matte ones which they have launched during this fashion week. And they have launched it in 12 shades, and each lipstick is priced at rupees 800 and the quantity is 3.4 grams. And this is the complete quantity. And this is how the first shade looks on me. I'll be swatching all of them, so wait for it, but first I'll quickly review them. They have a soft floral smell which is like a typical of Lakme, but it doesn't bother too much once you apply it, but it does have a very like sweet floral scent which I think most Lakme lipsticks have. These are very pigmented and super comfortable on the lips. You will see the swatches. The swatches are all just like one or max two swipes. The lighter colors may be two swipes, but the darker ones are all just one swipe. These are super pigmented. I'll quickly show you a swatch. Yeah, as you can see, this is a lighter nude shade, but still this is like just one swipe. Have a soft velvet matte finish and not transfer proof. I'll quickly do a transfer test. As you can see, they do transfer a bit. They are not completely transfer proof, but they don't completely transfer. As you can see, the lipstick is like still very much there on the lips. There is a little bit of transfer, but they don't transfer like too much, but a little bit. They stay for about 5 to 6 hours, I would say, after which they do need a little bit of touch up. But if you eat a full meal, this will survive like drinks, tea, light snacks, etc. But if you eat a full meal, you will need to touch up because this will fade faster if you eat something, but it won't go away completely, but it will fade. I think the darker color might fade more from the center. The lighter colors will fade overall because they match the color of your lips. So yeah, I think they stay for about 5 to 6 hours and are very comfortable throughout. And I love the soft velvet matte finish. It's not at all shiny, and the colors are beautiful. They have launched it in a different range of shades, from plum to deep chocolate colors to reds, pinks, nudes. I would definitely like to see more mauve, purple, cool toned, grey tone kind of shades. Overall, I think these are really good, and I definitely recommend these. I know they are a little expensive at 800, but the quantity of 3.4 grams is pretty good, more than the slimmer version of the lipstick. I think that was just 2 grams or 2.1 grams, so 3.4 grams is better. So yeah, these Lakme Absolute Ultimate lipsticks get a thumbs up from me, and let me know your favorite shade in the comments down below. And quickly, let's jump on to the swatches. the swatches. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I want to touch 10,000 subscribers soon, so please help me with that, and I'll do a pretty nice giveaway when we reach 10,000. So hoping to reach this soon. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.